This is my homemade boat. I built it myself, and driving it around is honestly so much fun. But yeah, I almost lost this thing for good. Anyway, let's head back to the studio to where it all started. I tried making a simple paper boat first, something I'm sure most of you have seen before. But when I put it in the water, absolutely nothing happened. So I thought, why not take it up a level? I lined up a few popsicle sticks, grabbed my hot glue gun, and started sticking them together. Now this one is different from the paper boat because it can actually move, all thanks to this rubber band and these two extra sticks. I just need to loop the rubber band through here and put the propeller right in place. But before that, it needs a bit of sanding just to make it look cleaner. It's pretty simple. Just wind it up like this, let it go, and watch it run. All right, it's definitely a bit better, but I'm still not completely satisfied. Time to go all out and build a truly professional one. I bought 2 pieces of foam and started cutting them down to shape. Next up is the boat's motors. I'm marking their spots, cutting them out, and applying plenty of glue to make sure the hull is completely waterproof. These components you see here are what actually control the boat. I'm using this servo motor to give it much better steering. While I'm getting these parts ready and soldering everything together, do me a quick favor and drop a like on this video. It really helps out a lot. Using these capacitors is a huge help for this build. They keep the board from resetting and completely block out any electrical noise. And yeah, adding one more capacitor right here. Now it's time to glue the walls of the boat together. I'm using this small piece of foam as the rudder and connecting it directly to the servo motor. As you can see, this whole thing is controlled straight from a smartphone. I think it's finally time to hit the lake and see what it can do. Right around that moment, the boat's Wi-Fi suddenly cut out. At first, I thought to myself, if I just try a little harder, I can get reconnected. But I was totally distracted and didn't realize the current was pulling the boat right into the middle of the lake. Look, do you see how far away it got from me? By the time I finally managed to get it out, it ended up looking like this.